Hi, it's me, Salah Ayulsuf from NGPD. Today, we will work together to check the fire hydrant, which is required to be checked every 3 months. First of all, we have to fill the division and unit information and fill in group name, the date. Then we have to write the equipment location and their SAP number, which have to be clearly labeled. The color of the equipment body has to be red due to the color code of all firefighting systems must be red. Now, check for leakage or any other physical damage on hydrant body. Make sure that hydrant is easily approachable. Also, make sure there is no obstacle in the way to the hydrant, and the wrench must be available all the time. Stroke the valve and let the foreign material get out. Also, check the caps for vent hole. If there is an X mark, please list it in the findings and remarks box below, then sign the checklist and give it to your supervisor for reviewing and take the correct action. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.